What's up, guys? Welcome back. I just wanted to show you how you upload a video to YouTube using ChatGTP and AI PRM ChatGTP prompts. First off, if you don't have it installed, go here to extensions, manage extensions, and install the AI PRM. I think you just can type that, you'll find it. Install that and refresh your ChatGTP, and you'll get something like this. So so you search here. I just write YouTube, and I like this one the most that I'm having luck with. So you can make up your own YouTube title, and in this one I'm doing how to make how to use AI to. So let's name this how to use AI to find print on demand ideas. Product ideas, and let ChatGPT come up with what we want it to say. Grab your title. I always change the file type. I'm doing this off camera. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, it has this on there. Save it like that. And then we just drag and drop that in here. So that's like a little SEO trick. Name your file what you want it to be. Add that back in. What I always do, copy that to the first line of the description. Copy the description it gives you. Copy the tags. Paste them here. We're going to be over, so delete some of these. Should be good. Okay. And that's it. Go through the rest of this and upload. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna have a bunch more videos about print on demand and how to use AI to create print on demand products. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and please like and subscribe. All right, thanks, guys. Peace.